poppin', everyone? It's your boy Dennis versus Gaming. But before we do anything in the world, smash that like button like I smashed my phone. Yeah, I'm working with the iPhone 8 now. I'm just kidding. Still working with the iPhone 10. Today I got myself one of these, a Kano laptop. These things, they're amazing. While we're here, let's go for my Christmas haul. I got a Pac-Man game, this Kano, a drone. I also got a second one, but I don't want to show. I don't know where I'm gonna get that. Splatoon 2, light up shoes. What else did I get? Hold on, I messed up. Hold on, I gotta do something. Hold on, I need to put something on in here because I had to go look at this before I do anything. I gotta make sure it still works. I also got no new Joy-Cons, no gift cards, just money, and I got clothes. That's all I got. All right. Excuse me. Let's get started. Alrighty. Let's do a drone shot. Hold on. Let me quickly get my phone at a good drone shot angle. All right, let's open this. Alrighty, so let's see what this is. Let's put this at a non-drone shot now. Alrighty, let's see what this is. So we're gonna do the rest of the unboxing. The drone! Yeah, guys, this is the size of this drone. And I got the same exact thing, but in a different color. So mad, because this one's already broken. And today's Christmas. Alrighty, so these are the manuals. They put them in a different spot, thank gosh. Let's open this. Ooh, little paper foam. Makes my screen a lot more darker. I'm just kidding. Alrighty, let's go for a drone angle. Alrighty, so the first thing we have to do is we're gonna get the computer guide open. Alright, and let's see what this says. Here we go. And after this, we'll watch the ad for Kano. Hey, I'm Judoka, your computer companion. Ready to go? Take out the pieces. Well, let's just start off with the order. It tells me the keyboard and mouse. It looks pretty nice. Power cable. HDMI. I don't have that yet. Power plug. Power button. This thing's really tiny. The light ring. The case lid. The Raspberry Pi 3 brain. This is the memory card. And the DIY case. That is a lot of stuff. This is also rated 6 and up. It also has things like simple steps, build it yourself. You can learn to code, hack Minecraft, and make music, art, and apps, music. Build it yourself, learn code, make Minecraft, arts, and apps. This is also from Kano, and it's not for ages 3 and up. Well, 3 and below. And it's, yeah, like I said, 6 and above. Well, I'm sorry that's backwards. And, okay, let's start the building. This is your computer's brain. It's not much, but this one little device contains a lot of memory. Drone shot over. Now let's build this thing in front of you guys. Alrighty, let me get a chair. Set the manual down. I've already built this thing, so I can do this in a snap. All right, so this is your brain. All right, let's see what the next step is. Let's give your brain superpowers. Don't turn off. Let's give you brand new powers. Grab the micro SD card and slide out the micro card. Alright, like a SanDisk one. Oh, because this is a SanDisk. What do you know? Alrighty, and slide out the micro SD card. Now, to build this thing, turn the brain over. Do you see this one piece? It's on the, so this is how the brain looks like. Flip it over to where this part is facing the opposite of direction. So take your micro SD card and let me go show you guys a close up. You see this little nub right here? You want to slide. Hold on, I need to get tweezers. Put your micro SD card right here and then boop in like that. And now, next step. Great. Now let's add the lights. Now the lights are the kind of the simplest thing. So grab the light ring, which is this, and then you want to make sure it's lined up. And flash codes are when it brought to life. Line it up with the pins, and then oh man, there we go. And now that you don't see anything else, then now we push it down, nearly there. Add the power button. I dropped the little nub. Shoot. All right, now once you put the little nub on, it should click like that, and then that means you know it's gonna turn on. Let's make it keep strong and safe. Let's make a case, the DIY case, and the facial plate to make it secure. Now place the brain between the cases. Other side. It also has a headphone jack. And then slide them together. Slide them together until your brain has armor and memory. I dropped the power button. Normal. I think everyone's done it when they build a Kano. Okay, what the heck? I built this earlier today. Dang it. We're having some technical difficulties right now. So I just did the stupidest thing I could have done. Crud. I messed up. The light ring is messed up. So as you guys can see, there is a 1 extra. What you want to do is you want to make sure the light ring stays perfection. Now I got these parts together. Let's put this together. Now let's put the DIY case on again. Now where's that? There it is. Let's get these two things together. Then you want to put them together, and then, oops, I think I messed it up. Oh, perfect. It should look like this. And then your computer has been completed. Okay, yeah. And then, now you got yourself your computer. Now it is time to hook up your computer. Dog, get out of here. That's my dog, literally. That's seriously my dog. If I wasn't lying, I would actually... Let's connect the screen. You're going to need your yellow HDMI cable. Now, fun fact, there were 2 of these. I got the cheap one where it just comes with a computer. No computer kit. So it's just going to be plugged in like this. And then plug it into your computer. Now find your screen with the plug that says HDMI. It looks exactly like this. Then you just want to plug it into your TV, and then voila, you got your monitor. But I already have plugged it into my TV. Now we're gonna talk to this little thing. So now what's so cool about this, if you turn it over, you can unplug this. You can do this with any computer, but we're just gonna do it with this. You can plug it in to your brain. Yummy. And I won't have enough time to show the ad. Holly Dinkins. Oh shoot. Alright, and then for the final step, you just plug in this piece right here. You see, alright, now it says, now take out the white piece. Hold on, that's already what we did. Now you want to turn this on by pressing this red button right here. You see that red button? Press that. You should, since my brain is not on, you should see a flashing green light. But whenever your brain gets connected, it'll stop flashing, and then it'll stop blinking, and then it'll start it'll just stop blinking. Now let's bring it to life. Grab the red part, so this red cable that I plugged in, and this. Now what you want to do, since I already have plugged this in, and I turned it on, I tried it out and everything before I did this video. You gotta plug it in like this. It's kind of looks like a iPhone charger. Then you wanna plug it in simply right here. Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. And then your computer should be alive. Now I'm gonna go set this up. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, your light will stop flashing. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys didn't, then you're just mean. So anyways guys, take your Kano and smash that like button once again, because this thing works as a DIY computer. Look at all this memory. You guys must want one of these. These guys are on Amazon for about like $150. But you can also get the computer kit, which I did not get and I did not show in this video. What the kit compared to this, you get an HDMI cable, but it comes with a screen. Someone's at the door. Let me go get that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.